Well-connected TV, where dreams are made.
Shout out, man. We right now with Reggie's Barbershop. Check it out. What's going on, Reggie?
What's happening, man?
What's going on? Where you located right now?
8630 Balboa, city of Northridge, where all the Hollywood players, like Big Lou, hang out.
You see it, everybody need to stop by and check out Reggie's Barbershop, man. Get your cut right. That's what he do. He been doing it. How many years now, Reg?
About 30 years. That's 30 studio years.
Tell me how long you been in this location.
2000. 2000.
So, you know, y'all stop in and get your hair cut. Some of the best barbers in the valley, San Fernando. You know, if Reggie not here, check out my man Tracy. See Tracy, he in the building too.
Big Lou.
So that's what we do up here, San Fernando Valley. You see it.
Well-connected TV, where dreams are made.